Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is David, and I'm out here at GameTown with another unboxing video. This time around, we are breaking into the brand new Lorcana set into the Inklands, and I've got one of the Illumineer's Troves here for us to bust open today and take a look inside. So let's have at it. Got art on the box featuring Piglet, Jafar, and Stitch. And a little preview of the contents inside on the back there. Alright, so starting off, we've got our storage box here. Alright, the art around the edge of the boxes looks pretty nice. Little airship there. Spooky castle. Got some pod racers. Not quite Star Wars, but nice little flavor nod there. Alright, the section in the middle here looks like those dividers are removable, but we'll leave them in there for now. And of course, we've got our 8 booster packs, which we'll get into in just a moment here. Set of dice. Kind of a deep blue, like shimmer pattern on the dice with those gold numbers. Looks like they just have the numbers, no symbols or anything like we sometimes see with Pokemon or Magic, but those do look pretty nice. Can be useful for tracking counters and damage. We've got a lore wheel here starting at 1 and spins, or starting at 0 and spins all the way up around to 20 to track that victory total. And we've got a pack of dividers here, it appears. Looks like we've got 6 dividers, one for each of the different ink colors in the game. And they've got them printed front and back there, which is nice. All right, those look pretty good. So we will set our box off to the side here, and we'll get into the important part, the cards. Starting off, we've got the Queen, Hateful Rival, Captain Amelia, First in Command, Helga Sinclair, Right Hand Woman, Nutsy, Vulture Henchman. Skippy, Energetic Rabbit. Orville, Ace Pilot. Into the uncommons, Mr. Smee, Bumbling Mate. Slightly Lost Boy, as opposed to Very Lost Boy. Genie, Cramped in the Lamp. And then along came Zeus. Very nice. Ooh. Ultra rare Jafar, Striking Illusionist. It's got Shift and Evasive. And gains lore whenever you draw a card. It's pretty strong. And we've got a foil rare Mufasa, Champion of the Pride Lands. Very nice. And then it's got, talks about the new card type, locations. So it's nice to see those rules inserts being used in place of the tokens. That's smart. All right. All right, up next. Mini on the pack art this time. All right, got Iago, Pretty Polly. King Louis, Band Leader. Robin Hood, Beloved Outlaw. A Voyage. Flotsam, Riffraff. Kita, Atlantean. Ooh, with the flavor text also written in Atlantean. That's a nice touch for the flavor. We've got our first location, the Sorcerer's Tower. All right, let's get some focus there. All right, Broom Closet. Goes along with the broom archetype from previous set. That's a nice thing to see. Captain Hook's Rapier. Trigger, Not So Sharp Shooter. Into our rares now. Maui's Fish Hook. Robin Hood, Daydreamer. And a foil Voyage. Very nice. All right. All right, we've got a Forbidden Mountain. Rufus, Orphanage Cat. Mickey Mouse, Stalwart Explorer. Billy Bones, Keeper of the Map. Zazu, Steward of the Pride Lands. Neverland, Mermaid Lagoon. Wildcat's Wrench. Dive Bomb. Genie, Cramped in the Lamp. Huey, Savvy Nephew. Map of Treasure Planet. And our foil, Milo Thatch, Clever Cartographer. Studying gibberish really can take you places. All right. Lena Saberwing, rebellious teenager. McDuck Manor. Scrooge's Mansion. Minnie Mouse, Funky Spelunker. Agrabah Marketplace. Don Carnage, Prince of Pirates. Patch, Intimidating Pup. Captain Hook's Rapier. Trigger, starting to see some duplicates for the first time here. Scrooge's Top Hat. Very nice. Captain Hook, Master Swordsman. Helga Sinclair, Vengeful Partner. And the Jolly Roger, Hook's Ship, is our foil for this pack. There we go. Diablo, Faithful Pet. Pluto, Mickey's Clever Friend. Ba-boom! It's bigger than your average boom. Jim Hawkins, Thrill Seeker. Treasure Planet, that's a nice one. Airfoil. Card draw action, that's fun. Cleansing Rainwater. Robin's Bow. Mama Odie, Voice of Wisdom. Tiana's Palace. Baloo von Bruenwald the 13th. Magica Dispel, the Midas Touch. And Euro Gear Loose, Gadget Whiz. Or maybe it's Gyro. I guess in this case, it's probably Gyro. Very nice. All right, Magic Carpet, Flying Rug. Maid Marian, Delightful Dreamer. Razul, Palace Guard. Webby Vanderquack, Enthusiastic Duck. Sir Hiss, Aggravating Asp. Miss Bianca, Rescue Aid Society Agent. Friar Tuck, Priest of Nottingham. Jafar, Lamp Thief. Matches the one from the art on the box. Lithos, Rock Titan. The Queen's Castle. The Heart of Tefiti. Little ramp spell, that's fun. And foil Peter Pan, Neverland Hero. Very nice. Okay, we've got Queen, Captain Amelia, Helga Sinclair, Nutsy, Skippy, Orville, Ace Pilot. Here we go. Maui, Soaring Demigod. The Queen, Mirror Seeker. The Bayou, Mysterious Swamp. Mufasa, Champion of the Pride Lands. 10 health, that's quite a lot. Shinzi, Hyena Pack Leader. And Magica Dispel, Ambitious Witch in foil. All right, and our last pack here. We got Iago, King Louis, Robin Hood, Voyage, Flotsam, Dalmatian Puppy. Allows you to have up to 99 copies in your deck. Which means there's probably a few different art variants of this one too, because we see it's got 4B in the collector number. There we go. Tinkerbell, Generous Fairy. Cusco's Palace. Home of the Emperor. Scroop, Backstabber. Pongo, Determined Father. Lucky Dime. And Flintheart Glomgold, Lone Cheater in foil. All right, so that's going to bring us to the end of our pack opening portion here. I've got some homework to do to study up on the new rules for the location cards that we see here. So I'm going to be looking into that. I'm looking forward to seeing what a lot of these new locations can bring in terms of depth of strategy in the game, but it should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. Those of you who are local, feel free to stop on in anytime. We do have packs and boxes available for Into the Inklands starting now. So if you want to pick up those packs, play some games, feel free to stop on by out in Waukesha, Wisconsin. We'd be happy to have you. For those of you who stuck around through the whole video, thanks again. Make sure you give us a like and comment, subscribe if you haven't already, all the good stuff so the algorithm knows what to do. And we will catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot.